Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the dead tree event in Gway Garden. Basically, there is a dead tree here in the middle, and you're going to talk to it, and you're going to select your tasks here. There is sell 10 pumpkins, grow 8 pumpkin rats to age 7, and consume 3 bowls of suspicious soup. So I'm just going to go back to my garden. I'm just going to pick this up, and then pumpkin rat, sorry, I'm just going to place it here, and then you can just use your level up lollipop or other items to level up the pumpkin rat. I already have a lot of blah blah blah, so I'm going to do it, but I still need to sell 10 pumpkins and consume 3 bowls of suspicious soup. You get suspicious soup from the Halloween market. And I haven't actually planted any pumpkins, so yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. Oh, also, here are the items that you can get by completing the dead tree kind of tasks. So here's your tasks, and you'll go to random rewards, and here you can get candy corn, spooky egg, Halloween gearbox. This is where you can get, actually no, this is not where you can get the suspicious soup, but you can also get the limited weeping branch, which I have not gotten yet. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.